Hey guys, I figured I'd drop in to talk about a conundrum I've been working on. So we need a panel in the boat that has the controls for the prop, for the running lights, for some courtesy lights, the forward backwards for the prop, and then a USB charging port. So all of that stuff is right here. So what I put together is a little sketch out of chipboard and a kind of a typical that has all that stuff in it. But the issue is I don't like it, the way it looks in the boat. I don't like how the lines are working. I don't like how everything is flowing. Because I would like the controls to be up here. Which has just been better access for everything. It's better access for you when you're sitting in the boat where you can just reach over and control everything. But the issue is the distance between that and that is not a lot. And not only that, we have seats that are going in right here that flip up like this. So I've scribed in some arcs here to kind of show the clearance that we have, and the answer is we have none. We have no clearance. So I've been working through some technical problems trying to figure out the options that I have. We call them variables, which things can change and which things have to stay the same. And what I've come up with is the dimensions that are on that cardboard have to stay the same. Those are the things that cannot be changed. Where we locate the thing, that obviously can be changed. The design of the seat hatches, that obviously can be changed. And so that's what I've been working with. So over here are a bunch of sketches, are a bunch of things I've been working on to redesign that panel that allows it to become more easily used. Yeah, so there's just a lot of considerations. Yeah, and like there's even more things that go into the seat design that, I mean, aren't even visible or going to be problems yet. Because initially we had the two seats flipping up like that, and then they sat on top of each other in the middle here. So if you can imagine a board going up like that, a board going up like that, and then in the middle here, they would have to sit on something, whether it be a support or whether we would notch one of them so it would sit on top of the other one. And not only that, but if we have the control panel down there, suddenly all the electronics and all the wires are running to something that's getting closer to the water line, which isn't necessarily ideal when you're dealing with electricity. So bringing that panel up to where I want it to be on the backrest there is just going to be better, because what it does is not only can we use the original wire harness for the trolling motor prop inboard that we have now, and it will just plug into the back of it, we can bring all the wires up above the water line onto the back of the seat, which is just going to be better for everything. So like I said, we're controlling variables. Suddenly it's becoming very, very clear that the design of the seat is the thing that needs to change, and everything else needs to stay the same. So things that are variables now is the design of the panel, which are the sketches that are over there, and the design of the seat, which interact with the panel. So yeah, those are the two variables that can change in this. So yeah, we'll keep running with them. Tune in for that. Tune in for the solution. So yeah, wish me luck, guys. If you have any suggestions, put them down in the comments. Yeah, that'd be great. That'd be great to see sketches or see different people's ideas. Or but yeah, no. Thanks for tuning in. Like, comment, and subscribe. All the good stuff. Let me know what you think, and we'll see what we come up with. Bye, guys.